I upset my little brother by teasing him almost every day. I am upsetting the delicate balance of the tank right now. I have just upset a glass of water on the desk. I have been upsetting my sleep schedule with late shifts for weeks. I upset the chessboard by accident yesterday. I was upsetting the stack of files when the boss walked in. I had upset the whole plan before I realized my mistake. I had been upsetting my stomach with spicy food for days before the trip. I will upset the odds and win the match tomorrow. I will be upsetting the seating plan all afternoon to fit everyone. I will have upset every prediction by the end of the season. By tonight, I will have been upsetting the neighbors with this drilling for hours.